Hi garden friends, welcome to my channel, The Determined Gardener. I'm going to show you how I moved my hosta to a new location in my garden. As you can see, the hosta is almost dormant. This is the best time to move shrubs because they're going into dormancy and you want to transplant them before the soil gets too hard from the cold weather. As you can see, I'm digging a wide circumference to make sure I get as much roots as I can so not to disturb the plant. The secret is to dig deep enough so the shrub doesn't know it's getting moved. Hostas are very tough plants. They can easily be moved or divided. If you're dividing hostas, the best way to divide them is in clumps. I would remove all the excess dirt and take a sharp blade and divide them evenly. You can move most shrubs, just make sure they have died back to the ground. I use biotone starter. It's supposed to help with root development, which is really important when you're moving a plant to another location. I just sprinkle it into the hole. I usually don't measure it. I just put enough and then work it into the soil. I made the hole big enough so I can just place the hosta in easily. Now it's time to backfill this baby with soil. Make sure you're packing the soil completely around the plant and all of its sides. You don't want to leave any gaps or air pockets. Pat down firmly. It's recommended that you water afterwards so the plant roots can get established. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe and like button and let me know what plant you plan on moving, if any plants you plan on moving in your garden. Until next time, happy gardening everyone. Bye-bye.